Starting an online business can seem daunting. Many people believe it requires extensive technical knowledge and huge investments. While there are challenges, building a successful online business is achievable with the right mindset and resources. This essay will explore the journey of building an online business, highlighting both the obstacles and the rewards. It's important to acknowledge the learning curve. Entrepreneurs often need to acquire new skills, such as digital marketing or web design. However, this process of learning and adapting is also incredibly rewarding. As you gain new knowledge and overcome obstacles, you build confidence and resilience. The internet has democratized entrepreneurship. With hard work and dedication, anyone can launch their own venture. The key is to embrace the journey and view challenges as opportunities for growth. One of the first hurdles is identifying your niche. What problem are you solving for your target audience? Thorough market research is crucial. It helps you understand your ideal customer, analyze competitors, and identify potential opportunities. Next comes building your online presence. This typically involves creating a website or online store. Platforms like Shopify, Wix, and WorldProfit make it easy to set up professional-looking websites without coding experience. WordPress is another popular option that offers greater customization and flexibility. Marketing is essential for driving traffic to your online business. Social media platforms, content marketing, and email marketing are powerful tools for reaching your target audience. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your business. Thankfully, there are countless tools and resources available to simplify the process. E-commerce platforms like Shopify handle everything from inventory management to payment processing. Email marketing services like MailChimp automate your email campaigns, saving you time and effort. Social media management tools such as Buffer and Hootsuite allow you to schedule posts and track your social media performance. Utilize these tools to streamline your workflow and focus on growing your business. Remember, technology is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest trends and tools to maintain a competitive edge. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new approaches. Building a successful online business requires more than just technical skills. It demands unwavering commitment, resilience, and a positive mindset. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. The key is to view these obstacles as learning opportunities and keep moving forward. Many successful online entrepreneurs faced numerous rejections and setbacks before achieving their goals. Their stories highlight the importance of perseverance and a belief in your vision. Surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow entrepreneurs. Building an online business is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never stop learning. With passion, dedication, and the right tools, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a thriving reality.